Hey, I just wanted to show you the bracket that was made for the trunk hatch. So this will bolt on to the bar, and then the top latch will bolt on right up here. That will bolt on right there. Latch will bolt on right down here. Bolt on like that, like so. So we'll bolt that to the bar. We'll weld that to the bar, and then you can kind of see how that is. Made a bracket for that. Bring it back up so you can see it. We just bent some bars, got that on there. Good hinges. We've got the one side of the hinge mounted right there, and then over here. And then as I come over here to the car, what we had to do is we had to get a couple metal plates, because if you just bolt the hinge right down to the fiberglass, it's too short. So we've got these taped down right now, and what they are, they're about 3/8 of an inch thick. A couple pieces of metal to raise it up. Some people have used wood in the past. I don't like the wood, so we use steel plate. So we got 3/8 thick steel for the top, and then we're going to put these plates on the bottom. We're going to drill some holes in them, and then put the bolts right through the thing. And we'll probably make the holes a little bit bigger here, and then that way we can kind of move it around where we need to. And then we'll just tighten it down underneath, put a bolt through it all the way through with underneath the plate. It'll be nice and secure, and with that 3/8 thick steel, it's not going to go anywhere. It'll be nice and strong. So that's where we're at with the hood. I'll give you some more progress in the next video. So here's what we're doing with the hinge. You can see we've got the metal plates there. There's a hole there we're going to have to patch. But yeah, we've got the metal plates in. Bolts are on. Hinges are on the car, on the hood. Opens and closes real nice. Got a nice gap on the hood all the way around. You can see that hood gap. Nice and straight. All the way. Coming out really good. Step back, you can see the front of the car. So, yep. Looking good. We also got the latch done on the back. You can take a look at that. So here's the latch. That's how we did the latch. You can see that plate that we attached the latch to. And then this is that plate that I showed you earlier and how we tack that on. So there's the plate we made that holds the latch. And then it comes right down. Comes right down and connects right there. So that'll all work with my key fob. Really nice.